Hi everyone, this is Shrikant and today I am going to demonstrate one of the IoT based project regarding the home security system, and we are using a PIR motion detector sensor. This is the PIR motion detector sensor. You can see this. This sensor has the capability to detect the motion of the human, and then we have created one Python program. In that Python program we have coded like whenever a human enters into the room, this sensor has that capability that it will detect the human motion and it will play the police siren sound, so that the family member or the house owner will get to know that some thief is entered into your room for the security purpose. All we need just are some simple jumper wires. Then this is the Raspberry Pi system model 3B plus and a power bank, and this is our speaker. You can connect either wireless or through Bluetooth as well as using any aux. And this simple PIR motion detector sensor, this has that sense capability to detect the human motion. Whenever the human enters into the room, it will detect the motion and play the emergency sound. Yes, and this is the power bank and some relay modules are there. Let me show you a demo. What happens and how this works if a thief enters in my room. So this is the Python program in my Raspberry Pi system. We are running in Thorny Python IDE. You can see we have set here GPO pin 21, that is the pin 40, for passing the data of the motion sensor to the system. Yeah, so we can see. Let's see. And you can see as the thief enters into the room, uh, the motion detector sensor has detected the thief and the emergency sound has started to play that we set, and hence we can detect any thief or any human enter in our room using this motion detector sensor. Thank you.